Maybe those people would want to consume corn if they realized it was voyeurism. Voyeur.
You're close, but it's backwards. It's not voyeurism. It's the replacement for voyeurism. See, like voyeurism would actually be what the Bible describes as lust, but that's not what's happening when you consume adult media. When you consume adult media, what you're consuming are pixels, little tiny, little insignificant, little tiny. I see if I can get one in between my fingers. I can't. They're pixels. It's not real people. And every instruction from the scriptures talks about real people. It doesn't talk about media serving in the place of real people. And that's not just because the media wasn't there. You could make a lifelike statue. So there were ways to make media that looked like people if you wanted to lust after them. But that's not what's happening here. What's happening when people consume adult media is they're exchanging a truth for a lie. They're exchanging that this pixel is the person, and that, that's why I'm able to commit the voyeurism, but it's not voyeurism. It's actually closer to idolatry, and how you treat lust and how you treat idolatry in the scriptures are entirely different. You flee from one, you have to destroy and invalidate the other. Which is why it's such a big deal for guys, because you can white knuckle it if you believe the lie enough, and then you can get yourself out of lust because you just stop going to those websites and you do nofap and you do all those things. You're just like, argh. But if you can invalidate it and realize that you never see naked people on screens, what you see is screens, then it loses all power. Then you're like Elijah, just sitting there going, where's your God now? Is he relieving himself? Maybe he's gone on a journey. How come these pixels aren't telling me, what I want to hear in the bedroom? That's because they're pixels. You can see this. You can see this just by turning the resolution down. If you have a corn problem, okay, I want you to take the next video you're going to look at. We're not even going to tell you to stop because you're going to stop after this. You can take the next video that you're watching, and maybe you're watching at 1080p or 4K, turn the resolution down to 144p and see what happens. The magic disappears. Why? Because you're like, this is a crappy recording. That's because they're all crappy recordings. The pixels just have worked their magic, and that's how that works. So it's not voyeurism. It's the opposite. You're being told it's voyeurism, and that's why it's accessible to you, because what you don't want, what nobody wants, is to be lusting after a small black phone that's in their hand. What they want to be lusting after is, actual human beings, and those don't exist on the internet because the internet is a thing, not a place. You're not going to the place to see the naked people. You're going to the thing to replace the naked people. And that's what it is. So remember that. Remember that it's pixels, not people, and that it's a thing, not a place. So those people aren't there. You are not staring at naked people when you're using corn, okay? You are not. You are staring at pixels, little tiny idols of that. And when you can invalidate that, it loses all power. It loses all power over your life because you're like, I want to have sex with people. I don't want to have sex with objects, with pixels, with phantoms, electronic phantoms of people. No, God has much more better things for my life as a human than to waste time with my sexuality on pixels. That's because the pixels are not people. And we desperately want to treat them like people because it makes it so easy to beat people over the head religiously when we can treat corn as if it's real people. But it's not real people. It's pixels. It's pixels. I need you to understand that. You can see this. Just turn the resolution down. Turn the resolution down to 144p and see what happens to all the lust, to all the sexual. You'll get bored. You'll get bored this sucks. Yeah, it all sucks. No matter how high you make that resolution, because it's all the same thing. Hope that helps.